Hi, KT Morgan here with Cabos Finest. In this edition, we're going to look at the spicy Bloody Mary and the history behind it. The well-loved Bloody Mary has a rich history and has been used by every true party lover as a perfect hangover cure for decades. Most North Americans partake this lovely mix in the morning or at brunch or after they eventually roll out of bed. Like the margarita, the Bloody Mary has a conflicting history and many alleged inventors. The name is typically associated with the murderous Queen Mary due to her attempts to reestablish the ultra-serious Catholic religion. Others say it was named after Mary the waitress in the Bucket of Blood in Chicago in 1920. Still others claim it was named after America's sweetheart, Mary Pickford, a Hollywood actress during the silent era. The most recited origin comes from Harry's New York bar in Paris in 1921, a popular hangout during the impressionist period. The original recipe was simply tomato juice and vodka, invented by Fernand Petiot. Another claim lay with Club 21 in 1930 in New York City by bartender Mary Pickford, who spiced up the basic tomato juice vodka with salt, lemon juice, Worcestershire, Tabasco, and horseradish to give it a kick. So whether you call it a Bloody, a Caesar, a Red Snapper, Ruddy Mary, or the Mexican version, the Michelada Roja, just know the Virgin Mary won't fix your pounding headache, since you need the alcohol to help shake the snake that bit you and relieve the hangover with the hair of the dog. In any event, we pay homage to this red devil elixir, the supplier of dry tongue relief, the savior of the blackout behavior, and the perfect pairing to the breakfast early or late. Let us now show you how to make the version of the ever-popular spicy Bloody Mary. Step 1. Assemble all the ingredients to set aside. Mix in a metal shaker your spices first. 3 shakes of celery salt, 2 dashes of cayenne pepper, 3 squirts of Tabasco, a layer of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of good sharp horseradish, then a teaspoon of lime and lemon juice. Next step, add your tomato juice and vodka or tequila blanco. Today we're using premium Tito's vodka and homemade tomato juice, 3 parts vodka, 6 parts juice. Add your ice and start shaking. Shake it really hard. It's good to shake it good and long until the bottom of the mixer is nice and iced over. Pour into pre-chilled highball glasses, half room with salt and cayenne mix. Garnish with celery stick or go crazy and garnish with sliders, seafood, whole garden, or even chicken wings. Drink and enjoy and repeat. Now your fuzzy memory of last night's margaritas melt away and replaced with the comforting warmth of a well-prepared spicy Bloody Mary. This video is brought to you by Cabos Finest, your insider's guide to Los Cabos.